G'day, my name's Paul from VEREX, Tasmania. We've been playing this week with the new Scrambler 1200. This is an old one here from 2019, and we just thought we'd show you a few of the differences with the exhaust with this one and the new 2021 model. The main difference is that the catalytic converter, which was placed right where your leg is here and created a massive amount of heat, that's been changed to a small H pipe there, and now the catalytic converter is in the front of the muffler, which is about here. That gets rid of a lot of the heat on the rider. I'm not really sure whether that was changed to suit the new Euro 5 rules, but maybe it was. We don't know. I'll grab one of the original ones and let you have a look at it. This is the pipe off a 2019 model, off this bike actually. You'll notice this one has one of our decat headers on it. The original one went to the rubbish bin very, very fast. And that's where the catalytic converter was, as you probably know, in this section here, right where your leg sits. The rest is bloody heavy, this thing, but and very quiet. These got changed very quickly. We sold a lot of these decats, sorry. The main structure and the fitment of the new one is the same as this, but there's a few changes. I'll now grab a new one and we'll have a look at the differences. These are some of the heat shields. This is the two heat shields, early model, later model. The only main difference we found is that this cutout section and this end is slightly shorter to make room for that big catalytic converter, which is now right under there. Right, so this is off the new bike. It looks at first glance much the same, but you'll notice here the catalytic converter's been changed, taken out, and now we've just got a balance here. This part is the same, and this spot here is where the catalytic converter is now, inside this bike. It's just as heavy, probably even a little bit heavier with the cat in the back here. The outlets are smaller on the end of the pipe. I'm not sure what difference is internally, but what we've done now is made another pipe for this to replace this, because it's a bit harder to get rid of the cat in this one. This is something that we've been working on. This is as you can see, a lot different. This will go straight onto those original headers, and these are straight through, baffled all the way through. We'll find some nice video and pictures of this for you to have a look at. The mounting is exactly the same, and it uses all the original covers, and it weighs nothing. One other thing we've been working on, and it should be interesting, well, we know it's interesting, it sounds great, is this little system here, which weighs nothing, and you can roll balls down into the end of it if you like. But this little 2-in-1, which certainly gives this great bike an awesome heartbeat. Lightweight and great fun.